This is our 16-inch DoAll vertical saw, model ML. It's got a 16-inch throat, 10-inch cutting capacity. It's got a welder grinder shear. It's got a factory protractor. It's 1,600 feet per minute with a high and a low range, a tilting table. The rubber is in good shape. We're going to run it for you now. She's in the high range, around 1,000 feet per minute. The tachometer is working, going a little faster. Slowing down. You always shift at the lowest range. You'll see the blade stop. Now into the low range. Speeding up. Quiet. Wheels in good shape, same with the rubber. There's some extra guides. This is our 16-inch DoAll Model ML saw. Thank you for watching.